Here's our 1973 Porsche 914. This will be going up for auction here this week. This one's really cool. I've been keeping this indoors for a little over a year now, and it's been garage kept for many, many years. It actually was a 6-cylinder right before I bought it. Not an original 6, obviously, because it's a 73. But it had a 2.7 liter motor in it, so it still has the 5-lug wheels on it. Those are 14-inch real Fuchs on them there. And it still has, which I'll show you later, but the holes drilled out for the oil in the back for the engine. Right now, this is just a roller, so this car does not run. It's missing some pieces on the engine and trans, but it does have a, right now, just a 1.7 liter engine and trans that will go with this car. Great project car, minimal rust. I'll have photos of that. It's a really, really strong and dry car. See the interior's very clean. Nice carpets. So I actually bought this car for myself, and during COVID and all the quarantine, it ended up, I was waiting for a title for months and months and months. I finally got the title to it, and by that time I already bought a new project Porsche. So this one I was going to go ahead and put an actual, I had a 3-liter SC motor. I was going to put that back in it. So if you're thinking of a 914 to either do a 4-cylinder or a 6, this one would be a great candidate because it already has the 5-lug and it already has those holes drilled out for the factory oil tank. You see here it does have the like the GT style, the 914 GT or 916 style front and rear bumpers, but it's got pretty good fitment. You can see that. It's not bad at all. Paint is in good condition. Obviously it's been resprayed, but not bad. I mean, I'll show you later, but all inside the door jambs and everything are black. And then obviously in your door jambs here it's red, so underneath the trunk and everything else it's black. So you don't see the original color shining through. But, you know, no door sag, nothing like that. So if you're looking for honestly, an easy project, you know, a couple of days you'd have this one back on the road. All right, and here it is with the roof removed. Very easy process on this. Kind of show you a little bit more of the interior. The dash has a leather Dino wheel in it. Here it is with the engine pop. You can see it had a back pad here, so some of the paint could use some touching up. There's the engine that's installed. This is a clean title car. You see the hellhole area. And on these, you know, we've seen a lot of bad repairs. This one's a really good repair if it, you know, when it's been done. It's all very strong underneath there. I've had this car up on the lift. All right, and here it is with the rear trunk. See, no holes. Go around to the front here. This is where your fuel filler is. If you're not familiar with 914s, that's how you add your gas. But see, the respray was done, was really nice. This is where your spare tire will go. This is actually, I don't know if you'll be able to pick it up on the camera, but this is actually the original color. That bluish, like emerald green silver. So if you're looking for an easy project, very clean, 914, either to go the 6-cylinder route or, you know, get this 4-cylinder running because it does spin. You just need a couple extra parts. It's missing the exhaust and the shifter linkage and, you know, some of the fuel injection, whether you want to go to carburetors or whatnot. But you can get this car running pretty fast. You see the paint's really nice too. You get your fender gaskets, put on the window trim.